Today, we're going to test Suno AI against the hardest singing styles in the world. I'm not talking about regular pop songs, I'm talking about styles that take humans a lifetime to master. We're going to try everything, from the complex sliding notes of Indian classical music to the aggressive chanting of a haka. I'm going to try these in the custom mode of Suno AI, using lyrics I got from ChatGPT. I'm going to include meta tags within brackets in the lyrics to guide Suno, and go with adjusting the creative sliders for adherence. So let's get to it. First up is Carnatic music. This is a style from South India that is notoriously difficult. It requires extreme precision with microtones, which are notes that live in the tiny spaces between the keys of a piano. It also uses something called gamak, which are intricate, wavy slides around a note. So I'm pasting the lyrics in, and in the style box I'm typing Carnatic classical vocal, Indian classical singing, and heavy gamaka ornamentation. I'm gonna set the weirdness around 10% and style influence to 85% because I want it to stay authentic. Here we are. Let's see what has come up. This is honestly shocking. You can hear the traditional tanpura drone in the background, but the vocal is the real winner. It's actually sliding between the notes with that wavy texture. And I must say, Suno has grabbed the Indian traditional vibe quite well. For the first test, this is a massive win. Next, we have opera, specifically the Bel Canto style. This is a test of pure power and breath control. An opera singer has to project their voice over a full orchestra without a microphone. It also requires a very precise, wide vibrato. That's the natural shaking you hear in a powerful voice. I use dramatic lyrics about a voice soaring through the night. For the style, I use keywords like dramatic operatic vocal, powerful projection, and strong vibrato. Again, I'm going with low weirdness and high style influence. Let's see how Suno captures this one.
Rising tone, through the night my voice will soar, echo strong forevermore. Hear my voice rise to the sky, burning bright, I cannot die.
Listen to that power. The vibrato, that natural shaking in the voice, sounds heavy and theatrical. It actually sounds like a human diaphragm is physically pushing air. It's not just singing loud, it has that stage drama quality that usually takes years of training to develop. Next up is a physical stress test, yodeling. This style is all about a specific mechanical trick. To yodel, you have to intentionally crack your voice, jumping back and forth between a deep chest sound and a high, thin falsetto. It's very easy to mess up if your timing isn't perfect. For the setup, I use lyrics that are just traditional yodeling sounds. In the style box, I've asked for traditional yodeling vocal and alpine folk style. Same with the slider, and let's hit create. It actually nailed the flip. You can hear that tiny crack in the throat as it jumps from the low notes to the high notes. It's high energy, it's bouncy, and it's technically accurate. It didn't just sing the words, it simulated the physical vocal cord flip that makes yodeling what it is. I honestly wasn't sure if an AI could understand that physical break in the voice, but it did. Now for jazz scat. This is the ultimate test of rhythm and articulation. This is when a singer uses nonsense syllables to act like a musical instrument, usually a trumpet or a saxophone. My lyrics include syllables for scat singing, and in the style box, I'm typing with keywords of jazz scat singing, bebop style, and swing rhythm. This time I'm locking the gender to female, and let's see what happens.
Midnight rhythm in the air, swinging sounds everywhere.
This sounds like a vintage record from the 1950s. The AI isn't just saying the nonsense words, it's swinging them. It follows the beat of the drums and piano perfectly. It treated the gibberish like a musical instrument rather than a glitch. This next one is the one I was most nervous about. The whistle register. This tries to go for the highest frequency the human voice can reach. Think of those piercing bird notes from Mariah Carey. Your vocal cords have to zip almost completely shut to make this sound. I used lyrics about rising higher, and for the style I used powerful pop diva vocal, whistle register singing, and ultra high pitch.
I feel the light inside my soul, rising higher, losing control. Fly above the sky so free, whistle tones inside of me. Oh, 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 oh,
There it is. Listen to that piercing, airy tone at the very end of the track. It's sitting right at the top of the human hearing range. The final singing style is overtone or throat singing. This is a two-von technique where one singer produces two notes at the same time. You create a very deep, vibrating drone in your throat and then manipulate your mouth to create a high-pitched whistle melody on top. After pasting the lyrics in the style box, I put overtone singing, two-von throat singing style, and low drone. That deep, vibrating growl is perfect. It's called false chord singing, and the AI captured that buzzing, earthy resonance exactly. You can actually hear the high-pitched whistle note floating over the deep bass sound. It sounds organic and ancient, not like a synthesizer. It's hypnotic, and honestly a little haunting. Now that we've tested the pros, I wanted to try two experiments to see if I could break the AI's logic. As the first experiment, I'm going to try the Haka style. The Haka is a Maori war dance. It's rhythmic, body-slapping, stomping, and aggressive chanting. Crucially, it is not singing, it's shouting. I'm pasting the traditional Kamate lyrics. In the style box, I'm putting Haka chanting style, loud aggressive group vocals, and rhythmic stomps. This was a beautiful fail. Because Suno is built to be a music generator, its brain is wired to find a melody even when you tell it not to. Instead of a raw, scary shout, it gave me this epic, cinematic Disney-style anthem. It sounds incredibly powerful, like a movie trailer, but it proves the AI has a bias toward making things sound like a song. It just couldn't help itself from adding a beautiful melody. And for the final test, I wanted to see if the AI cares about meaning, or if it just cares about syllables. So, I pasted in literal random strings of numbers assigned to pronouns, like, I am 37365, you are 4578, and so on. For the style, I went with rich harmonies and rock and roll. I pushed the style influence all the way to 100%. I'm telling the AI, ignore the fact that these words make no sense and give me the most intense version of this style possible. This is the funniest result of the day. It sounds like a real radio-ready rock anthem. The AI is singing those random numbers with so much passion and soul. It treats a serial number like the most heartbreaking lyric in history. It just goes to show, with the right style prompts and high-influence settings, the AI can make even total nonsense sound like a hit. So, what's the verdict? Suno AI is no longer just a toy for making funny clips. It is a vocal simulator that is starting to understand the physical mechanics of the human voice, from the vocal breaks of a yodel to the microtones of Indian music. It handles the hardest human techniques surprisingly well. The only thing it still struggles with? Knowing when not to sing, because even when I asked for a war shout, it gave me a melodic song. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechSnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. If you enjoyed this little fun experiment, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which style impressed you the most. Thanks for watching.